So I saw a blood red bolt of lightning out here in this storm. Like, I'm talking blood red. And more red than I'm seeing behind these clouds here. I'm hoping to get another one of those on camera for you guys. Wish me luck. I'm just gonna film and delete as required. Hopefully I can get some pretty flashes. Oh, that was a good one. But we can do better. Almost. Also sorry about the floating piece of debris there in the top right corner. It's hanging from my neighbor's balcony and I can't reach it. It's annoying, I know. I'm sorry.